Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. So I am obviously at work. I'm in a different office. So if I stop talking and like look crazy, it's because it's super gloomy out today. So I'm set up in front of a huge window in our office and people tend to walk by. So if I stop and I look, crazy, that's because somebody's staring at me as I'm filming this video. I just wanted to sort of do like a little life update and a chitty chat video, I guess. I've had a lot going on the last couple months. Lots of changes are coming. Changes that I've really wanted to happen, but haven't kicked myself in the ass to do them. Well, yeah, the world is doing it for me. We just got notice like a week ago that we have to move. I've been wanting to downsize in our house anyway. We have a really big house and all my kids are older. One of them has moved away. We really don't need that much space and I would like to start saving some money. So this is our opportunity to move into something smaller. It's just really hard finding something in our area. There's a shortage of housing right now where we live. So that's really been stressful, especially since we don't have a lot of time to move. So yeah, that has really been stressing me out just all day, every day, looking for somewhere to stay. But on top of that, I am a chiropractic assistant. I have been working with the same doctor for going on 15 years now. I want to say maybe even 16 years. I've been with him for a long time. I'm the office manager. I run the clinic. I do a little bit of everything. About a month ago, the doctor that I work for had a very bad accident. He is still recovering. I don't know, honestly, if he'll be back or not. I've been left to run the clinic basically on my own. His injury was so to where he has not been able to really communicate much, especially in regards to the business. I know that's probably the last thing on anybody's minds right now is the office, but he's the only doctor at this clinic. And to be honest, we were not prepared for something like this. I know anything can happen at any time. And a lot of the times, not only just business wise, but personally, you're not prepared for these kinds of things. And so I've been basically scrambling to keep this clinic afloat by myself. My coworker that was here, that worked with me for 4 or 5 years, left in December. So we were getting ready to hire somebody else on because I've been working with just a doctor since December and it's sort of stressful on its own. But now to be here at the clinic by myself, it's scary. I had to break into his emails and his computer so that I could gain access to bank accounts for the business, so that I could make things sure that bills were paid and that, the space was being paid for. But yeah, it's really been stressful, and I know his family is really hopeful that he'll return, but I, in my heart, know that he's probably not going to be coming back to work. Not to give too much information in regards to what his actual injury was, but I feel like this is an injury that's probably going to be the end of his career. And I know his family is very hopeful that he'll be able to return to work, but I honestly don't think that that's going to happen. Now I'm left here at the clinic. To be honest, I've been not very happy here for the last couple years. There's a whole bunch of other things that are involved in that I'm not going to get into, but I haven't been happy here. And I feel like this is sort of a kick in the ass as well. The universe is telling me this is your opportunity to, find something else. But I just feel like I'm in limbo. I just sort of feel like I'm in limbo because I feel like I owe my employer, my boss, a lot. He's seen me through my divorce, which was absolutely horrible, where I was, raising my children on my own. My ex was nowhere to be found. He wasn't helping financially or anything like that. Sorry, I'm crying. I feel like I owe the doctor I work for a lot. I do owe him a lot, but on the other hand, thinking about it, I've put up with a lot the last couple of years. staying here. You know, he helped me through a horrible divorce. My kids were little. I was on my own. I wasn't getting any help from their father financially or anything. When I started working here, I had just, you know, left my ex-husband. I was given an opportunity to work in a clinic, a medical office. I had never worked in a medical clinic before. I didn't have any experience at all. You know, I had come from retail, and so for them to give me the opportunity to better myself and give me better pay and a stable job, not only that, the doctor that I worked for helped me financially. Like, he would just give me money if he knew, you know, that I was having a hard time paying the phone bill. He gave me money to register my son for football because I just didn't have the money at the time. So, you know, he's helped me a lot. He helped me catch up on my vehicle when it was about to be impounded. I mean, so yeah, I feel obligated to stay and help, and especially at this time when he's not here and not able to make any decisions for the business. This is his livelihood as well, but I don't know. Like I said, I'm just in limbo, and I've just sort of been writing it out. And so yeah, I guess this is the opportunity for me to, you know, jump into something else, I guess. I'm so stressed out right now between, you know, not knowing where I'm going to be working, if I'm going to have a stable job, to, you know, now having to find somewhere to stay in a short amount of time. It's just a lot. So I am struggling to find the time and the mental energy to film videos for you guys. I may be slowing my uploads down just a little bit until things get sort of situated and settled. I'm not going to completely disappear, you know, I'm never going to do that. This is recording videos with you guys is sort of a release from all the stress that I'm going through. So I don't want to lose that, but I'm going to probably have to, like, you know, go down to once a week. So these are things that now, looking at it, I have been complaining about, wanting to change. Yeah, I didn't expect this to all come at once, but change is good, even though it's scary. It's just a little scary right now, trying to figure out what I'm gonna do career-wise and where we're gonna goddamn live, because we're not gonna have nowhere to stay after the end of the month. I swear, this is crazy. I apologize for the crying, but I can't help it. Wanted to put this video up real quick. You guys sort of know what's going on if, you know, you're not seeing as many uploads from me as I usually do. If I get settled, then I will get back to uploading, you know, as often as I have been, if not more. Like I said, doing this with you guys is a stress relief. It is something that I can do just for me. It doesn't involve work or being a mother or a wife or anything like that. It's just something that I like to do. I enjoy filming for you guys and putting up content and chatting with you guys. So I definitely don't want to, you know, miss out on that opportunity for my mental health, because I need you guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, all those things that I always tell you to do. And I will see you guys next time.